Okay, next video about quadratic equations. So I thought let's do two data sufficiency questions. The first one, what is the value of integer n? And the first statement we get is n brackets n plus 1 is equal to 12. Is this sufficient info to give the value of n? We can solve this. This is n squared plus n times 1, minus 12 is 0. So we get, if we factorize this, we get n minus 12. If you, like, this is the product, so times each other, the product, and this is always the sum if you add it up together. So the product is going to be minus 12 and the sum will be 1. So we got n plus 4 and n minus 3, because 4 times minus 3 is minus 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So n is minus 4 or n is 3. So we get two values for n. And it doesn't say anything about that it's positive or anything, so no, we cannot answer this question because we have two values for n. So we know it's not going to be, if we have the, it's not going to be A, it's not going to be D. So it's B, C, or E. Let's check the second statement. Second statement, 3 n plus 1 is equal to 81. Okay, so we know like 3 to the power of 2 is 9, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, and 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So this must be 3 to the power of 4. So n is 3. That's the only solution we have. Be careful, minus 4 is not a solution here, because what is 3 to the power of minus 4? That is, hopefully you remember, is 3 to the power of 4. So here we have only one solution, which is n is 3. So the second statement is sufficient. So the answer is B. Okay, let's go to the second statement, or the second question. Given the value of x and y are real numbers, what is the value of x plus y? So can we calculate this part? Okay, the first statement is x squared minus y squared divided by x minus y. Hey, maybe you recognize this from week 5, a special quadratic equation, so you should know what it is. Hopefully you remember that you know that this is x minus y and x plus y. This is a special quadratic equation, and you write it out like this, divided by x minus y, brackets. So now we can easily, and that is 7, and now we can easily cancel out this part. So we get x plus y is 7. So yes, we can get the value of x plus y because we know the x plus y is 7. So that is fine. First statement is sufficient. So now we're going to check, is it A or is it D? Let's check the second statement. X plus y is 49. Okay, what is that? So again, we get a common quadratic equation. So hopefully you know it, but let's pretend you do not. So we get x plus y to the power of 2 is 49. You can rewrite this as x plus y and x plus y is 49. If you know the quadratic equations. So what can x plus y be? They both can be minus 7, because minus 7 times minus 7 is 49, and they both can be 7. 7 times 7. So we are not sure what is x plus y. There are two solutions, 7 and minus 7. So the second statement is not sufficient. So it's answer A. Only the first statement is sufficient.